how to get or fix the reply option not showing on Instagram. So first thing you want to do, guys, is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, so you have to wait and then scroll all the way down until you find the Instagram. When you find it, click on it like this and then click on this for stop to stop running the app in the background of your phone. Click on the storage and then click on clear cache, clear data. Go back again, click on the permissions, make sure to enable all the permissions right here. Now one last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram and update it by clicking on the update option that you will find right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe.